I'm Jennifer, and I'm so happy you're here for my third video in the series, Easy Football Appetizers. Today we're going to be making a wonderful, delicious, cheesy pull-apart bread. This bread just takes a couple of minutes to put together. You put it in the oven, and it's perfect to serve to guests at football game parties or tailgate parties. It's really great for everyone. Before we get started on this super quick, easy recipe, be sure to like and subscribe. This is one of my favorite appetizers. It's so easy and you can double the recipe without any extra effort. It's a super delicious, tasty pizza bread appetizer. For this recipe, we'll need some pizza or marinara sauce, some pepperoni, some butter, Italian seasoning, mozzarella or Italian blend cheese, and a loaf of beautiful, soft, fluffy bread. I'll have the full recipe listed below so you can easily make this wonderful appetizer. We're going to start by cutting this bread. We don't want to cut all the way through, but we want to cut about 3/4 of the way through. And we're going to want these to be in about 1 to 1.5 inch little cubes. We're going to go in one direction and then the other. Now that our bread is cut and you can see it's in nice little cubes, we're going to start filling all of these little areas full of cheese. It's a great idea to go ahead and put your bread loaf on a tray. I have a tray here with foil. We're going to wrap this whole thing up in foil, but before we do, we're going to go ahead and put the cheese and mozzarella and the melted seasoned butter. This way the foil will catch anything that runs down. Just start opening up all of the little openings from all of the knife cuts and start packing in some cheese. Now that I have all of the cheese packed in between all of the little grooves, it's time to start putting in some pepperoni. Now just start taking your pepperoni and putting it right down in all of the little cracks and little openings. Just press it right down in there. All of the pepperoni is tucked into all of the little cuts and openings in the bread, along with the cheese. Now it's time to brush on the butter and Italian seasoning. You can add garlic or garlic powder to this if you'd like. Just dab it right on. You could even take a spoon and drizzle it right over the top. Now that it's completely covered with our wonderful buttery mixture, it's time to wrap it in the foil and put it in the oven. We are going to bake this in the oven at 400 degrees. We are going to put this in the preheated oven for 15 to 20 minutes. Here is the wonderful stuffed pizza bread right out of the oven. It smells so amazing. I'm going to be serving this wonderful pull-apart pizza bread with some pizza sauce. Thank you so much for being here today. I hope you put this recipe together and realized just how easy, how fun, and how delicious it is. It's perfect to share with family and friends. I'm so glad you were here, and I would be super happy if you like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.